Hi there, welcome to our channel and welcome to our Wix Studio series. In this video, we are going to learn how to check the status of the invites we sent our clients and how to resend them if needed. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Sites on the left. If you're in the grid view, hover over the site you want to work on and hover over the collaborator icon. If you're in the list view, there is actually a team column, so simply hover over the collaborator icon next to the site you want to work on, and you should see your team right here. Click on Manage Collaborators. Here, you should see your teammates or collaborators as well as those you've invited. On this column, you should see the invite status showing you when they were invited and how many days are left before the invitation expires. For those who've accepted, only the date they joined will be shown. To resend an invitation, say for example, this one, click the three-dot icon next to it, and you can choose from two options. You can choose resend invite, which means another invite will be sent through email. By the way, if the person doesn't see the email, ask them to try checking their spam messages. Or the other option is to get an invite link. Copy that link and paste it on your message. You can send it on any messaging platforms of your choice. Once again, they should accept the invitation before the 30-day expiration date so they can successfully join your team. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.